In order to find App Lock on a Nothing Phone 3A, we need to go to Settings. In the Settings, go to Apps. And now we need to scroll down a little bit to find the App Locker over here. Now we need to enter the screen lock password, and now you can choose which apps should be locked by tapping on the square on the right side. And if you select any of these apps, if you try to open them, you will be required to enter the password, the screen lock password, or to use biometrics if you have them enabled on your phone. You can also tap over here to find lock app when, and by default it is set to screen is locked, but I think it is better to actually set the other option, which also includes app exits. So now if you try to open an app, actually not this one, the calculator, as you can see, we have to verify our identity in order to be able to open it. And that is all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!